Welcome to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. My name's Taylor Bonham, and I'm going to take you through this course to help you start getting acquainted with affiliate marketing, how you can do it, and how it actually is pretty simple. There are so many different types of programs and services and products that you can be affiliate for, and actually some simple ways that you can start implementing it. So let's get started. So first of all, what is it? What is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing essentially is a type of marketing where a business rewards the user for any visits, any traffic, or sales brought to them. For instance, a very popular affiliate program is Amazon Associates. A lot of people apply to Amazon Associates and say they promote a product on their blog. Someone reads the blog, clicks on the product, and buys it. So that person purchases the product, they get the product, and then the person who wrote the blog, Amazon will pay them a percentage of that sale for bringing that referral to them. Super simple. So, can I make money with it? Yes, you can. You totally can make money with affiliate marketing. Essentially, it's just another stream of income you can add to your online work, or maybe you don't work online, but you just want some side income and it's a hobby or whatever. It's just a good way to just add money into your pocket. There are programs that bring in a little bit, others can bring in a lot. It just depends on how you market yourself and how you brand yourself and, what you put into it. But I do want to note, because this is important, there are scams online. We all know this, and a lot of people associate affiliate marketing nowadays with scams because you just see it everywhere. And not everyone is truthful, so you do have to be careful with who you believe and who you trust. So before you give money away, you want to research. But that is actually why I created this free mini course. If you're on Skillshare, that way you can at least dip your toes into this without spending money. Okay. So finding programs. There are so many programs. Businesses have products, they have services. So you have to search them out. You have to find them. If you already have an online presence or a website or a blog, I want you to think of your favorite products and your favorite tools that you use, and then go to their websites and look to see if they have any partner programs or affiliate programs. For instance, I have my own Pinterest management business. So I use Tailwind a lot, which is a Pinterest scheduler, and I use Canva, which is a graphic design program. They both have affiliate programs. So I have some blog posts on my website about these tools, explain how they work and what they are and how great they are for my business. And I also include affiliate links. So if people want to use them as well, they can click on the links in my blog, and then they get their service, and I get a small compensation for referring those people to those programs. So for my instance, it just correlates really well with my online business and my website. So a few examples are whether you want clothing. Target has some affiliate programs. There's a lot of big companies that have that. Reward Style is another one, so that's really good for fashion bloggers, lifestyle bloggers, stuff like that. They can promote different pieces of apparel that they like. You have web hosting, so like Bluehost and GoDaddy have some digital tools, like I said, Canva, or really any of the email marketing platforms that you would use, or even courses that you have taken. A lot of course creators also have affiliate programs for their courses. So if you have taken a course and you really enjoy it, it's worth looking into to see if they also have an affiliate program as well. And then And these are some of the most popular affiliate programs you're going to find and hear about. So, like I said, Amazon Associates, that is a very popular one. We have Reward Style. Again, fashion, lifestyle bloggers, super good. Skimlinks, that is a program where pretty much you sign up, you get approved for it, and you can pretty much any type of product that you find that you want to refer to people, you can turn that product into affiliate link even if that company doesn't have an affiliate program, which is really cool. So I really want you to check out Skimlinks. It's not super talked about, but I think it's very underrated, so definitely check it out. ShareASale and Awin, these are the same company, but they are two different programs. So I currently belong to ShareASale, and they have a lot of different, just really a lot of different businesses on there. They have some digital products on there, clothing brands, services, all types of stuff. So definitely check that out. That's a really popular one. Again, especially if you have a blog. And then one you probably have seen if you're on TikTok is a lot of people talk about ClickBank. I have not personally used ClickBank myself, but there are programs you can look through on there. Again, it's one of those things where you just have to look through and see if it even applies to you or anything like that. But again, Amazon Associates is going to be a really big one to look into, especially if you're wanting to just promote really just like cool products and stuff like that. But yeah, check all these out, do your research. Definitely do your research. And also the businesses, the companies, and the programs, they're always changing. So again, do your research. And depending on the program, it may restrict specific countries and states. I actually just applied to the Redbubble.com affiliate program. I make stickers with them. That's just another thing that I do. And so I was like, oh, may as well do an affiliate program, sign up for it. Well, turns out the only state in the United States that they don't allow is Missouri, which is where I live. So it kind of sucked to see that, but that's okay. But that just goes to show you don't know, like I've never had an issue with my state of residence with any other program that I've applied to. So you definitely just want to look at that, pay attention to restrictions, and just research what you can get into and what you can't. And if you can't, go on to a new one. Don't let that bum you out. There's so many different things that you can promote and make money off of, and it's just really cool. So I am so excited to get further into this.